Hello students, today we are going to study ecology. Question 1. What is ecology? Answer. Ecology is the study of how living organisms interact with each other and their environment. Question 2. What are the levels of ecological organization? Answer. The levels include individuals, populations, communities, ecosystems, and the biosphere. Question 3. Who is considered the father of ecology? Answer. Ernst Haeckel is often credited as the father of ecology for coining the term in 1866. Question 4. What is a population in ecology? Answer. A population is a group of individuals of the same species living in the same area and potentially interbreeding. Question 5. Define community in ecology. Answer. A community is all the population of different species living and interacting in a particular area. Question 6. What is an ecosystem? Answer. An ecosystem is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Question 7. How do humans impact ecosystem? Answer. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and urbanization can disrupt ecosystem and threaten biodiversity. Question 8. What is biodiversity? Answer. Biodiversity refers to the variety and variability of life on earth, including genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Question 9. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Answer. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection, which is fundamental to understanding ecology. Question 10. Explain the role of producer in an ecosystem. Answer. Producers such as plants are organisms that produce their own food through photosynthesis, forming the base of the food chain. Question 11. What is a food chain? Answer. A food chain is a series of organisms, each dependent on the next as a source of food. Question 12. Differentiate between a food chain and a food web. Answer. A food chain shows a linear sequence of who eats whom, while a food web is more complex network of interconnected food chains. Question 13. What is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? Answer. Decomposers break down dead organic matter into simpler substance, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Question 14. Explain the concept of carrying capacity. Answer. Carrying capacity is the maximum number of individuals of a species that environment can support indefinitely. Question 15. What are some examples of abiotic factors in an ecosystem? Answer. Abiotic factors include temperature, water, sunlight, soil, and air quality. Question 16. Describe the relationship between predators and prey. Answer. Predators hunt and consume prey, which helps regulate prey populations and maintain ecosystem balance. Question 17. How do invasive species impact ecosystem? Answer. Invasive species can outcompete native species for resources, disrupt food webs, and alter habitats, leading to biodiversity loss. Question 18. What is an ecological niche? Answer. An ecological niche is the role and position that an organism has in its environment, including its interaction with other species. Question 19. Explain the concept of mutualism in ecology. Answer. Mutualism is a type of symbiotic relationship where both species involved benefit from the interaction. Question 20. What is the greenhouse effect? Answer. The greenhouse effect is a process by which certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat, leading to a warming of the planet. Question 21. How do humans contribute to climate change? Answer. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation release greenhouse gases, intensifying the greenhouse effect and causing global warming. Question 22. Define habitat destruction. Answer. Habitat destruction is the process by which natural habitats are altered or destroyed, often due to human activities like agriculture, urbanization, and logging. Question 23. Explain the concept of ecological succession. Answer. Ecological succession is the gradual process by which ecosystems change and develop over time, often following a disturbance. Question 24. What is the importance of conservation biology? Answer. Conservation biology aims to protect and preserve biodiversity, ecosystem, and endangered species for future generations. Question 25. How can individuals contribute to ecological sustainability? Answer. Individuals can reduce their carbon footprint, conserve water, recycle, support conservation efforts, and advocate for sustainable practices to help protect the environment.